Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome to the first Inspire of 2018. I hope each and every one of you enjoyed a blessed holiday season and had a chance to spend lots of time with friends and family. Now, every Christmas morning, my husband Adam, son Austin, and I serve and deliver meals to local families before heading over to my parents for a big Christmas afternoon with my sisters and their families, complete with the annual snowman cheese ball, of course. I was also able to sneak some time away from the office to spend some much needed quality time with my fellas. And that's my absolute favorite. But guess what? The celebrations aren't over yet because there is so much to celebrate in January, starting with our Customer Appreciation Celebration. And if you haven't already, there's still time to let your customers know just how much you appreciate them. And through Sunday, January 14th, they can still shop those great Celebrate You styles and take advantage of our weekly deals. Now, during our last episode, I asked you to share how you've been celebrating your customers during this special event and all year long. And you guys sure have some lucky customers. Here are just a few of the fun ideas you shared. Love those. Now go check out my 31 Facebook page for even more ways to show your customers you care. And remember, sharing your appreciation is as simple as sending a text or an email. I mean, anything that helps you connect with the women who are supporting your business really counts. So, what's new this month? How about some awesome January specials with a few exclusive surprises thrown in? This month, customers can save on up to 2 Your Way storage styles with every qualifying purchase. She can mix and match from the Your Way Rectangle, Your Way Cube, and the new Your Way Display Bin, which we've pulled up early from the Spring-Summer catalog. If you join us at Product Premiere this weekend, you'll get the full rundown on this style, which is perfect for tidying up the pantry, linen closet, or the office. She can use it on its own for towels or sheets, or fill it with smaller organizing styles to clean up a cluttered shelf. Like all of our Your Way collection, the display bin is so versatile. Ladies, this special was purposefully chosen for January because what's everyone, including myself, doing this month? Cleaning up after Christmas. Who do you know who is putting away those Christmas toys and holiday decorations? Or who is organizing the guest room after having her messy sister stay with her for a few days, or any other space to get a head start on spring cleaning? Show those customers how they can purchase just one of these cubes or rectangles at the regular price to meet the qualifier on the monthly special. You know we love a mini makeover here at 31, and with just 1 or 2 Your Way products, she can make a big difference in a small space. Why not leverage this awesome special as you book the rest of your month? How about offering your hostesses a home organization themed party where you focus on our versatile styles that can help her get the clutter under control? You could even do a mini makeover on site at your hostess's home. Call up your best hostess and ask her, what is the most unorganized part of your home? Then tell her how she can make it over for free by qualifying for Hostess Rewards. Then, at her party, literally show her and her guests how to clean up that unorganized space she indicated to you using the product she can earn for free. Be sure to also include the January Hostess Special in that demonstration because only in January your hostesses get the perfect organization set. The Stand Tall Bin bundle for just $25 in the US and $31 in Canada with a party over $600. This bundle includes the Stand Tall Bin, which is a top 15 seller every season, and the exclusive Medium Stand Tall Bin, which is only available this month. Both products are ideal for laundry, toys, athletic equipment, or any other small items, but if she wants to get her hands on that medium Stand Tall Bin, she has to party with you this month. Do you remember our super shopper from December? Well, guess what? You have even more superpowers because this month, you're the super organizer. You'll be her guide to home organization and give her simple solutions for every room. Don't forget to check out all of the marketing materials and home makeover videos available for you on TOT for some great ideas. Both of these specials reach all of your customers because let me tell you, everyone has a space in their home that they're not so proud of. In fact, I asked some of my home office friends to show me their messiest rooms. Now, they were a little hesitant at first, but a few brave souls were willing to share. Check it out. I can't believe I'm sharing this with you, but look at my linen closet. Everybody has a closet like this, right?
For an OCD person like me, having a neat pantry is very, very necessary. And as you can see, not happening in my house right now.
Don't tell anybody, but this shelf right here could use some work.
This time of year, with my big family and all the gifts that I have to wrap, I end up with a holiday mess of wrapping paper.
Yikes. See, they are all just like us. Heck, I even have a messy space. Look at it. These are the cabinets above my washer and dryer, and they are in need of some help, don't you think? For our next Let's Chat segment, I want to see your home organization before and after photos. Like I said, we all have them, so don't be ashamed to share your messy spaces and how you use 31 to clear the clutter. I'll share a few of the worst, maybe best makeovers during our next episode, and I'm thinking maybe I should do the same with my space. So head over to my 31 Gifts Facebook page and share your stuff. I can't wait to see them. I've got some key dates coming your way, but first, spring product premiere is this Saturday, January 6th, and if you've registered to attend a showing in your area, we look forward to seeing you there. And later that Saturday afternoon, we'll be posting your fall/winter retirement list on TOT with every product and print that will no longer be available after January 31st, plus a recap of the show and marketing materials to help you share the upcoming season. During premiere, we'll also reveal the products our winter K-Group earners will be receiving later this month. I know you've been waiting, and trust me, these are awesome kits. But just wait until you see what our spring K-Groups will be earning. Those who earn a spot in either our 1K, 2K, or 4K group will also have the opportunity to take part in a product test exclusive to just those earners. How exciting is that? Now remember, our spring K-Group earning period is in its second month and ends February 28th. There is plenty of time to keep on partying to earn your way into one of these exclusive online communities. Just one average $500 party a month can help you get there. We're also nearing the end of our leadership incentive trip earning period. Who's joining me in the Bahamas? We are in the new year, and you have just until the end of February to meet the PV requirements and the end of March to get those PICAs qualified and promote. Need more motivation? I asked directors Cindy Marburger and Kim Dunford, who've already earned this year's leadership incentive trip, to share how you too can join us at Atlantis. Check it out.
You know, January is the last month for your hosts and guests to purchase their favorite fabrics and products before they retire. Also, January specials helps everyone to get organized in the new year. February is the start of our beautiful spring catalog season, and everyone loves a new catalog. So, overbook January and February. Ask your host to have a catalog, Facebook, and/or home party. Ask everyone to join your team.
So my biggest tip is you're going to help her throw a really successful launch party. So what that may look like. First, you may want to help her with her guest list. Figure out who she knows. Who does she know through kids' sports, parents from school, coworkers, neighbors? Who does she know through her spouse, family, and of course her closest friends. Second of all, you're going to want to set a date together so you can attend her launch party. And if it's done online, just set a date where you can go live with some of your products and answer any questions to her guests. It's likely that you have more products and you have more knowledge about these products and the company than she does.
Thank you, Cindy and Kim, and way to go! For more tools and information about how you can join us this fall in the Bahamas, visit the LIT page on TOT. All right, ladies, another episode has come to an end. The next time we'll be together will be after premiere, once you've seen what's in store for the spring season. And even though we'll be in spring mode very soon, it is extremely important to stay focused on the now as you utilize spring-summer marketing tools to book ahead. And we'll chat again on January 22nd when we'll cover how to leverage 2 seasons at once, finish fall strong, and start spring even stronger. Until then, you know what to do. Keep on partying and having fun, and I'll see you very soon.